Yeah, JP with Max Tr3 Revival. And that noise is the Hobart 140 handler getting ready to attempt. And I've already started putting the new bump stops in. We'll see how it all works out. I am a terrible welder when I'm trying to learn. So hopefully I can get better and at least get the parts on and cleaned up enough where they look like somebody at the Triumph factory did it late on a Friday afternoon as they were heading out the door. Here we go. So I think I'm a little better at grinder than I am welder, but it's getting on there. Got the fan going, it's kind of warm today. Got two sides done, I got one side to go, but my flapper disc is not doing well, so gotta make a quick run, get a few supplies, and I'll come back, hit the other side. Okay, so for a rookie, I think I did all right. Definitely a lot stronger than it was. Get better closing my garage door. So side number 2 is complete. Came out pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Had a little bit of a rough time just getting my settings set up again. Hadn't used the welder in a while. Had to reset my bottle, redo my gauges. The wire speed was a little odd. So it took me a while to get my setup straight. I think I'm good now. This is side number 1. Left a little drain hole. Bought some metal at, of all places, Home Depot. Home Depot now has a sheet metal section. They just filled it this past week, which was surprising. So probably paid more than I should have for it. But what I'm going to do is redo this end piece here to be a boxed piece. It's going to be easier to weld. I thought about trying to fill the weld in there and grind it back and everything, but it's just going to be too difficult. So I'm going to weld it just like this one was done on the edge after I box it in. So making a new piece for that. I'll try and get to that next couple days. So I'm definitely one of those people who has to have things kind of organized in order to feel like I'm getting things accomplished. After today's work, I cleaned everything up, got all my wire and everything off the floor, kind of moved things around, put things back in place, and tightened up, put the welder away, keep it protected. But I have a few more projects that I'd like to do. And if you have any organizational projects that helped you in your garage, please drop them below because I'd love to see them. So we know I redid the bench, but it's getting a little messy. I'll clean it up. Another thing that I helped put together was I found this on the web, which was this tool organizer holder charger unit. And then I ran some wires from inside to put a GFCI outlet, so I have more outlets out here in the garage. This is kind of like my charging station and my drill holder station. And that's definitely been great. But I've got a bunch of different grinders I've picked up over the years, and I like having that because I keep different things on them. Like this one here is a wire brush. This one's a cutter wheel. That's a flap disc. And I've also got another cutter wheel. So a couple different cutters and a couple different units. But I need a place to be able to organize those and hang them.